All right, this is a high school science lesson. Today we're going to talk about the domino effect. And so we also call the domino effect a chain reaction. And so the word domino effect is used as in the literary sense and in a metaphoric sense. Today we're going to use the term literally. So maybe you've heard the phrase, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. And this is known as Newton's third law of motion. And so what it basically means is if you exert a force on an object, the object exerts a force on you, and then on any other object that it comes in contact with. So the forces involved can be equal, opposite, or collinear. And so this can be demonstrated by many objects. You could use books, which we're not going to do because I think Ms. Smith would probably get really mad at us for messing up the library. You can use cards, you could use Legos, wooden blocks, dominoes. All right, so you should try this at home because you can see this effect quite is quite fun. So all right, so here's how we did it. So me and Coach Shaw, we set up this table with playing cards. Now, if you try this at home, you're going to want to find a sturdy place to do this. Maybe the floor, a countertop, a kitchen table. And you're also going to want to get away from your brothers and sisters and your pets because any little thing can set this off and destroy what you've done. And then, how do you know if this worked or not? Well, you know if it works if when you start the reaction, every object in your chain is knocked down. So here we go. We're going to show you how it looks, and then we're going to show you how to set this up yourself. All right, so that's basically it, guys. I hope you find this interesting. You can do this at home. Me and Cody are going to show you how to set this up yourself. And we're not going to set it all up because it takes quite a bit of time. Let's just do. She'll probably cut this right here. All right, so
yeah, when you're using cards, the best thing to do, just make it a little more sturdy, is you see how we kind of bent the cards. You don't have to put like a full crease in it. You just want to make sure it's got a little bit of an angle on it. That way it'll stand up on its own. We kind of made the sample size a little smaller this time, just kind of give you an idea how to set it up. But you can see it still works the same way. As long as you got the cards within a card length of each other, that way they can reach each other once they fall, or whatever objects you use, as long as it's got a distance they can reach the other one, the effect still applies.
All right, and so if you want to see more about this, you can do some YouTube searching yourself. You can see a lot more elaborate card stack domino effect demonstrations on there. So I hope you find this video finds you well. Have a nice day.